Hey guys, welcome to this short tutorial showing you how to download the downloader app on your Firestick. Basically what the downloader app does is it downloads apps that are not in Amazon App Store, such as third-party streaming apps. So I'm gonna show you how to install downloader on your Firestick right now. Right, so from your home screen, you just go to the gear icon. Go to My Fire TV right there, developer options, and then make sure these two are both on. ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. This is not required for downloader itself, but when you're downloading from downloader, it will ask you to enable these. Okay, so you turn these both on, then you go back to the home screen. Go to find, then search. In here, you can type with the keyboard, or you can just say with your voice mode, downloader. Downloader will come up in the list. Just click on the orange app. And then you want to click the send button to start downloading, and then we're gonna open it, and now and okay, boom, you're now ready to use the downloader app, folks. You can type any URL in for your apps, and then you'll be able to download them. I hope you found this helpful. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more short tutorials.